Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to this new tutorial, where I'm gonna explain you the head coin drop. Before to start, I wanna remind you that I made a private power move tutorial. If you wanna watch it, just sign up to my email list, first link in the description, and I will send you an email with the link of the power move tutorial. And also, if you're interested, check out my merch, link in the description. Before to try the head coin drop, make sure to master the backspin and the headstand. Backspin, headstand. If you can do the windmill, it will be even easier to learn the head coin drop. But actually, I also met some people that they learn the head coin drop before the windmill, so it's up to you. The easier way to start is like a backspin. So in this position here, you're gonna kick exactly like a backspin. If you haven't seen, watch the backspin tutorial. From here, what you wanna do is lean your head on the floor and roll and arrive in this position, kind of like a headstand, but with your legs on the floor. At the beginning, don't bounce your legs, just try to roll. So just like this, just to get comfortable with the move. So like this. From here, lean your head on the floor and roll. Just get comfortable with this first. Try multiple times. From this perspective, start, head on the floor, roll, and arrive here. From here, you just have to kick. First, your right leg, like this, and then your left leg, like this, spinning clockwise. If you spin in the other side, counterclockwise, do the opposite. So kick the left leg first, and then the right one. So, from here, from your head, kick this leg in this direction, and then this leg, the left, in this direction. So, 1, 2, and go on the backspin again. Try from here to go to a backspin. Also, try this until you feel very comfortable. Once you learn these two basic exercises, try to bounce your legs from the backspin. So, when you are on your back and your head is on the floor, make sure your head is on the floor. So not like this, but like this. All you have to do is kicking your legs up and with the right leg, kind of like crossing it. So from here, this leg should go first, like this. Kind of like a back rock. So backspin and push. Now I help myself with my hands. It's good if you do that in the beginning. Again, from the back, just kick up your legs like this and try to lean your right leg first. So, like this. Try this multiple times until you feel comfortable. Then try more rounds like this. Backspin start, head on the floor, kick, and try to continue. Kick, and try to continue. Kick. After you learn multiple rounds in this way by using your hands, try to remove your hands from the floor. Your hands should be in a circle, kind of like this, or maybe even more open, like this. The important thing is that you push and you use your arms. Here you should really use your arms, like this, to have more speed and momentum to spin in the backspin. From the back, from here, since this time you're not using your hands to go up on your head, you should bounce a little bit stronger with your legs. Maybe at the beginning try it on the soft floor or wear something soft on your head. So I'm gonna use this and bounce. Push and bounce. Try it slowly first, don't rush, don't try it immediately without hands. Try to use your hands first. Try very slow, so from the backspin, very slowly, roll, push, go in this position, then again from here, roll, push. Try it slowly at the beginning and then try to make it smoother and faster. If you have any question, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want me to follow your progress with your power moves, check my Patreon, link in the description. And also, if you're interested, check out my merch, link in the description. See you next week with a new tutorial. Yo ninjas!